Today we are visiting Seppeltsfield Winery in the Barossa to purchase my favourite raspberry cordial, but more on that later. Seppeltsfield Road is located just over an hour's drive from Adelaide. The western entrance is an avenue of palms, a 5-kilometre trail of Canary Island date palms planted by Seppeltsfield workers during the Great Depression. Over 2,000 palms now line the sides of Seppeltsfield Road. With a proud and priceless legacy dating back to 1851, Seppeltsfield is Australia's iconic wine estate. Over 420 acres surround the Seppeltsfield estate, now a combination of ancient vineyards, historically significant winemaking buildings, majestic gardens and priceless architecture. The property boasts 12 heritage-listed buildings and over 25,000 barrels of prized fortified wine maturing gracefully within the estate's vast cellar holdings. Seppeltsfield is famed for their centennial collection, an irreplaceable and unbroken lineage of tawny of every vintage from 1878 to current year. The estate remains the only winery in the world to release a 100-year-old single vintage wine each year. The exciting release of small batch table wines, including reds crafted through the historic 1888 gravity cellar, has added yet another layer to the ever-evolving Seppeltsfield story. I discovered Seppeltsfield Raspberry Cordial approximately 15 years ago. However, it has been a South Australian classic since it was first produced by the founder of Seppeltsfield about 150 years ago. Using Joseph Seppeltfield's original recipe, this cordial has introduced and inspired generations to enjoy all the fruits of Seppeltsfield. As we left Seppeltsfield Winery, we located the Seppelt Family Mausoleum. It is an impressive monument to the Seppelt family. It is well maintained and a great tribute to those amazing pioneers.